this video, we'll have a look at how to set up notifications for already configured alerts. As you know, alert rules are purely visual, so if you want to get notifications, you'll have to create an alert channel. This can be a contact via email, via Slack, Microsoft Teams, and numerous other options. Notification policies are used when the link between alert rules and alert channels is a bit more complicated than just a one-on-one mapping. For example, if you want a certain group of alerts to go to a certain contact point, and then another group which overlaps to different contact points, it might be necessary to start using notification policies instead of just a one-on-one mapping between the rule and the channel. Let's have a look at this in Grafana. So alerting is here in the menu bar. Alert rules are configured here, and contact points are the next one in there. So by default, you will have a default contact point, which is just an empty email address, example@email.com. This will never work. You can create a new contact point. For example, give it the name training. And as you can see, you have the option between email and a number of other options. So you can really pick what works best for you. For the example, I'm going to use email, since I can easily write an example for this one. Support@factry.io is our support mail address. Let's create a contact point that is going there. It's also possible to add multiple integrations. So if I want to say, for example, send an email to this one, and then also send a Microsoft Teams message to a certain webhook, that's possible in the same contact point, or you can add multiple contact points and define some logic on which alerts go where. I'll delete this one for now and just save this contact point like this. Now that we have a contact point, let's link it to our alerts. So there's one alert in here. If we go into edits, we can scroll down until 4, where the notifications are configured, and switch the contact point to this newly created contact point. Save and exit, and that's done. Now for some more complicated rules. For example, if you have multiple contact points, multiple alerts going to different groups, what you can do, instead of linking one specific contact point, is using a notification policy. There is none configured yet, but it will be configured based on the labels that we add here. So I'll add a label here with, for example, usage is production for my production alerts. Save that, and we'll use that later to link it back to the original contact point. The notification policies are here, just under the alert rules and contact points. And in there you will see that there is some automatically generated ones, and it's also possible to create a new policy underneath this. So this is where I will use this label that I created. Usage needs to match production. You can add multiple matches as well, and then this will go to my contact point that I created. I want to continue matching sibling nodes so that multiple policies will match at the same time. And you can also override some grouping and general timings, but for now, let's keep those the default value. Save, and you'll see that there is now no instances, but one property configured here, inherited from there. So this will go to the training. All right, that's how notification policies and alert channels are managed in Grafana.